Meaning of elegantly.
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 Elegantly. Elegantly is an adverb that describes something as being done in a graceful, stylish, or tasteful manner. When something is done elegantly, it means that it has been executed with precision, finesse, and attention to detail. In other words, it implies that the action or result is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also efficient and effective. An elegant solution or design reflects simplicity, sophistication, and ingenuity. It is often associated with high-quality work, professionalism, and expertise. Overall, elegantly conveys a sense of excellence and refinement.